Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to give unbiased review on the product Hydroforce SX7 review. So if you are curious to know about this product, watch the video till then. It is a cleaning tool that will help you in cleaning process, as people from United States are very curious to know about the details. It is a product that is used for cleaning product, and its price is about $687. The brand of the cleaner is Hydroforce. It cleans nearer to the corners and edges that any other equipment on the market. PSI grade of 2000. There are two 0502 spring bar pumps, one front facing 6501 jets. Comfort from the vacuum. Washes under toe take at 3.9 pounds. The positive point of buying Hydroforce SX7 rotatory cleaner are: the handles are shoulder wide apart, allowing you to sweep from corner to corner or front to backward. The SX15's radial vacuum tubes get designed to create a laminar flow vortex in the sweeping head, allowing it to eliminate liquid twice as quickly as competing models. The device lightest structure gives the impression that it is drifting on the floor, and the device length is appropriate for people of all the heights. Maintaining the filter is a joy with the inline filter's convenient access. While analyzing the review, we found that the unit modest profile enables it to slip below toe kits. The negative point of buying Hydroforce SX7 cleaner are: there is a lack of comments for this product on Amazon. It is more costly. So the question is Hydroforce SX7 legit? As we are discussing certain specification of this website, we are going to check out certain key parameters. For example, the brand name is Hydroforce. It has a lot of followers on various social media websites, and as far as reviews are concerned, we found people seems happy with the products offered on Amazon but currently out of stock and reason is unclear. Trust score of the brand is 86%. It is used for all-in-all one stain removal tool. On the web page, there are safety protocol mentioned for the cleaner. While checking out the reviews of the product, we discovered that numerous people had tried it and given it 5-star rating. So you can check out the reviews on your own behalf also. Buyers have also left several evaluations regarding the cleaner on well-known websites. These reviews are beneficial in providing a clear picture of the goods. The items is likewise sold out on several stores, indicating that it is extremely popular item. So based on our research, we recommend you that the cleaner is reliable. You can use it for cleaning your floor, and if you have a personal experience of using this cleaner, please share your views with us regarding this product.